Believe in yourself. Change your destiny. The bridge nobody dared to cross. What if the only thing standing between you and the life you've always dreamed of was your own belief? Not money, not talent, not luck. Just one decision: to believe in yourself when nobody else does. This is the story of a young man who discovered that destiny doesn't change overnight. It changes the moment you stop doubting yourself. 23-year-old Elijah Brooks lived in the quiet town of Boulder, Colorado. He worked as a maintenance worker at a large office building. Every morning he watched successful business owners, engineers, and executives walk through the front doors wearing confident smiles. Elijah often wondered if he would ever become someone people admired. Ever since he was a child, he had dreamed of creating his own technology company. He loved solving problems and building software in his spare time. But every time he thought about starting, fear whispered the same words. You're not smart enough. Someone else is already better. What if you fail? After hearing those thoughts for years, Elijah stopped believing in himself before he even started. One Saturday morning, he decided to clear his mind by hiking in the mountains outside town. Halfway through the trail, he reached an old wooden bridge stretching across a deep canyon. A sign read, "Cross one person at a time." As he stood there, an elderly park ranger named Samuel Foster noticed his hesitation. "Afraid the bridge won't hold?" Samuel asked with a smile. "It looks weak," Elijah replied. Samuel nodded. "It looks weak, but it's carried thousands of people safely." Then he asked a question Elijah never forgot. "Are you afraid of the bridge? Or are you afraid of taking the first step?" Elijah looked at the bridge in silence. Slowly, he placed one foot onto the wooden planks. The bridge creaked beneath him. His heart raced, but he kept walking. Step by step, he reached the other side. When he turned around, Samuel smiled. Most dreams are exactly like that bridge. They look frightening from a distance, but once you start moving, they become possible. Those words stayed with Elijah long after he returned home. That evening, instead of making excuses, he opened his laptop and began working on the software idea he had been postponing for years. The first version failed. Customers weren't interested. He made mistakes. He lost confidence. More than once, he considered deleting the entire project. But whenever fear returned, he remembered the bridge. You don't reach the other side by standing still. You reach it by taking one step after another. For the next 2 years, Elijah woke up at 5 every morning before work. He studied programming. He improved his product. He listened to customer feedback. While others spent hours complaining about life, Elijah spent those hours improving his future. Many people laughed at him. His friends said, "You're wasting your weekends. Nobody will buy your software." Elijah simply smiled and kept building. Then something unexpected happened. A small healthcare company discovered his software and decided to test it. The results were outstanding. Soon, more companies signed up. Investors began calling. The little project Elijah had started from his tiny apartment slowly grew into a successful software company serving businesses across the United States. A few years later, Elijah was invited to speak at a university entrepreneurship event. A student raised his hand and asked, "What changed your destiny?" Everyone expected Elijah to talk about investors, business strategies, or technology. Instead, he smiled. My destiny changed the day I stopped waiting to feel confident. He paused before continuing. I realized confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Confidence grows every time you keep going despite your fear. The audience fell silent. As Elijah left the stage, he thought about the old wooden bridge in the mountains. It was never the bridge that had frightened him. It was his own doubt. That day, he finally understood a truth that applies to every dream. Life will always place a bridge between who you are today and who you want to become. Some people spend their entire lives staring at it. Others choose to cross. So if you're waiting for the perfect moment, stop waiting. Take the first step. Believe in your ability to learn. Believe in your ability to grow. Believe that every failure is preparing you for something greater. Because your future isn't created by the people who doubt you. It's created by the belief you have in yourself. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs a little more confidence today. And if you enjoy motivational stories that inspire courage, discipline, and personal growth, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Every new story is written to help you build a stronger mindset and a brighter future. Remember, the moment you truly believe in yourself is the moment your destiny begins to change.